Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 280 Outrage by Boston Whaler. On the outside we did the platinum gel coat color, and great boat overall. You guys should definitely come up here and check it out. Hey everyone, welcome into the 280 Outrage by Boston Whaler. Like I said, this is a 2024 model. We did the platinum gel coat sides on this boat with the chrome graphics. We optioned this boat with the twin 300 horsepower Mercuries on the back. We did do the black instead of the white because we also did the black T-top frame on this as well. The twin 300s do come with the joystick option. That has your autopilot. It makes it very simple to maneuver in tight spaces for docking and whatnot. Very large Simrad display, glove box right here. One of my favorite features is that vent on the windshield does open up, get you a nice breeze coming in here. Nice tilt steering wheel. On both sides we have the trolling seats installed so you can face aft while you're trolling. We also have a flip up seat back here. Nice live well in the leaning post. I believe that's 30 gallons. This boat holds 186 gallons of fuel, so definitely a great boat for the Gulf Coast, raw and freshwater in this boat. One thing I can't skip or forget to mention is we have this nice little dive door on the side. Opens up, so there is a boarding and exit ladder, so if you wanted to get on and off away from the motors, you can. Catch a big fish, you can bring it in through this door as well. We have the upgraded sound system on this boat with the JL Audio speakers and subwoofer. Got nice fish boxes in the floor with pump outs overboard. Moving forward, if you want to come this way, Sarah, nice head compartment in here. Has great storage for your table base. Of course, a potty in there as well. Up front, what I like, we have your windlass anchor up front. Nice seating right here, but if you need to, if you're fighting fish, don't need all these cushions, you can remove these, hop up here, chase the fish all around the boat if you want. Nice little Queen's Lounge, as we like to call it, with tons of storage in here. You have your bow shade stored in here as well right now. You guys, this is a 2024 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Definitely come by and see it. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Thank you.